Daily English Talks.
Eating home-cooked food is way healthier.
Hey Lily, I've been thinking a lot lately about how much I eat out, and I realized that I rarely eat home-cooked food anymore.
Oh, really, Mark? That's not surprising. A lot of people nowadays rely on takeout or fast food because it's so convenient. But honestly, nothing beats a healthy, home-cooked meal.
You're absolutely right. I've noticed that when I cook at home, I actually feel lighter and more energetic the next day compared to when I eat greasy food from restaurants.
Exactly. That's because when you cook at home, you know exactly what goes into your food. No extra oil, no artificial flavors, and no mystery ingredients.
True, and I also realized that most restaurant meals contain way more salt and sugar than what we'd normally use if we cooked the same dish at home.
Yes, that's one of the biggest problems with eating out too often. The flavor enhancers make food taste great, but they're terrible for your health in the long run.
I totally agree. Even though cooking at home takes more time and effort, it's actually worth it for the health benefits and peace of mind.
Definitely. Plus, cooking at home can be fun if you think of it as a creative activity rather than a chore. I love trying new recipes or experimenting with different vegetables.
That sounds fun. Maybe I should start learning how to cook more dishes. Honestly, my cooking skills are pretty basic, but I can make pasta and scrambled eggs.
That's a good start. You can build on that. Once you get comfortable with simple recipes, you'll gain confidence and enjoy preparing your own meals.
I guess so. Also, home-cooked food tends to be fresher because you choose your own ingredients, and you can buy organic products if you want to.
Right. You have full control over the quality of the ingredients, and you can adjust the flavors according to your own preferences.
You know, last week I made a vegetable stir-fry at home using just olive oil and a pinch of salt, and it actually tasted amazing.
That's awesome. Sometimes the simplest dishes are the healthiest and the most delicious, especially when they're made with love and care.
Yeah, and I also noticed that cooking at home helps me save money. Eating out every day can get really expensive without realizing it.
Oh yes, definitely. Preparing your meals at home is not only healthier, but also much more economical in the long term.
Another thing I like is that when I cook, I tend to eat more balanced meals with proper portions instead of overeating like I usually do at restaurants.
Exactly. When you cook for yourself, you become more aware of your portion sizes and your nutritional needs.
I think people underestimate how powerful home-cooked meals are for maintaining good health. It's like the foundation of a balanced lifestyle.
I couldn't agree more. Home-cooked food provides not only nutrients, but also emotional comfort because it reminds us of family and care.
That's true. When I was a kid, my mom used to make soup for dinner, and just the smell of it would make me feel relaxed after school.
That's so sweet. Food made at home has that special touch of warmth and love that no restaurant can ever replace.
You're right. Nowadays, everyone is so busy that we forget how important it is to eat real food made with simple ingredients.
I know, and that's why I try to cook at least 4 or 5 times a week, even if I'm tired, because it keeps me healthy and grounded.
That's such a good habit. I think I'll start doing that too. Maybe plan my meals in advance so I don't get tempted to order fast food.
That's a smart idea. Meal prepping on weekends can save you a lot of time and help you stay consistent with home cooking.
Yeah, I'll probably start with easy dishes like grilled chicken with vegetables or rice with tofu.
Perfect choices. Those meals are simple, nutritious, and don't take too long to prepare.
I'm actually getting excited about this now. Maybe I'll even invite some friends over and cook for them sometime.
That would be great. Sharing a home-cooked meal with friends makes the experience even more meaningful and fun.
You know, Eating healthy isn't just about counting calories. It's about understanding what your body needs and feeding it properly.
Exactly. And home cooking allows you to listen to your body and give it the right balance of nutrients.
I think I've finally realized that home-cooked food is not just healthier, it's also a form of self-care.
That's beautifully said, Mark. Cooking at home truly shows how much you care about your well-being and your lifestyle.
Thanks, Lily. I'm going to start cooking more often from now on. Maybe next week I'll try to make a homemade soup like my mom's.
That's wonderful. I'm sure it will taste amazing. And who knows, maybe you'll discover a hidden passion for cooking.
Maybe I will. Anyway, thanks for the motivation. This chat really inspired me to eat more home-cooked meals.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, healthy habits always start with small, consistent steps, and eating home-cooked food is one of the best ones.